day. So today I'm going to discuss the following problems given by our teacher. So first, simplifying algebraic expression. So this is the equation. X times x minus 4 plus 8 quantity 3x minus 2x quantity x plus 5y negative quantity 3x minus x minus 2. So this is my solution. So the first thing I do is distribute x through the parentheses. So the equation will become x squared minus 4x plus 8 quantity 3x minus 2x quantity x plus 5y negative, and I also collect like terms. So it will become 2x minus 2. Then when I see a negative in front of an expression in parentheses, I also change the sign of each term of the expression. So the equation will become x squared minus 4x plus 8 quantity 3x minus 2x quantity x plus 5y. So the positive 2x will become negative 2x, and the negative 2 will become positive 2. Then I collect like terms. So the like terms is x and 2x. So the equation will become x squared minus 4x plus 8 quantity 3x minus 2x quantity negative x plus 5y plus 2. Then I distributed 2x through the parentheses, so it will become x squared minus 4x plus 8 quantity 3x, then negative 2 times negative x will become positive 2x squared, negative 2x plus 5y will become negative 10xy, and negative 2x plus 2 times 2 will become negative 4x. Then I collect like terms. So the like terms is 3x and negative 4x. So the equation will become x squared minus 4x plus 8 quantity negative x. So we subtract 3x to negative 4. So it will become negative x. Then copy positive 2x squared and negative 10x. Then I distributed 8 through the parentheses, so it will become x squared minus 4x minus 8x plus 16x squared minus 80xy. Then I collect like terms. So the like terms is x squared plus 16x squared. So it will become 17x squared, and negative 4x plus negative 8x, it will become negative 12xy. So the 80xy, it has no like term, so we're gonna copy it. So negative 80xy. So the simplest form of this equation is 17x squared minus 12x minus 80xy. So we're gonna proceed to the second problem. The second problem is 9 quantity a negative quantity 2y minus 7x times x minus z quantity negative x quantity 3 times x minus y quantity negative 4 times x minus z. So this is my solution. So first, I distributed 7 through the parentheses and 3 and negative 4. So the equation will be 9 quantity a minus quantity 2y negative 7x plus 7z. So the 7 quantity x minus z, it will become 7x plus 7z. Then negative 6 quantity 3x minus 3y minus 4x plus 4z. So the 3 quantity x minus y negative 4 quantity x minus z, it will become 3x minus 3y minus 4x plus 4z, because we distributed 3 and 4 to the parentheses. Then we will gonna collect like terms. So the like terms is 3x and negative 4. So the equation will become 9 quantity a minus 2y plus 7x minus 7z c negative 6 quantity negative x, because 3x minus 4x will become negative x. Copy negative 3y and positive 4z. Then we're gonna distribute 9 through the parentheses and negative 6. 9 times a is equals to 9a. 9 times negative 2y is equals to negative 18y. 9 times positive 7x will become 63x, and 9 times negative 7z will become negative 63z. Negative 6 times negative x will become positive 6x, and negative 6 times negative 3y, it will become positive 18y, and negative 6 times positive 4z, it is equal to 24z. So we're gonna collect like terms. So 9a has no like term, so we're gonna copy it. And 18y, negative 18y plus positive 18y, we will gonna cancel it because it is the same. And 63x, positive 63x plus 6x is 69x, and 63z, negative 63z plus negative 24z is 87z. So the final answer is 9a plus 69x minus 87z. And now we will proceed to equation number 3. So the equation number 3 is 5 times 2x minus 3y plus 7, quantity negative 4, quantity x minus 2y, quantity 2x minus 3 plus 4 times 1 minus x, quantity negative xy. So this is my solution. To get the simplest form, I distributed 5 and 4 to the parentheses. So 5 times 2x is 10x. 5 times negative 3y is negative 15y. 5 times positive 7, it will become positive 35. Copy negative 4, quantity x minus 2y, quantity 2x minus 3. Then we will gonna distribute 4 to the parentheses. So 4 times 1, it will become 4. And 4 times negative x will become negative 4x. Then copy also negative xy. Then collect like terms. So the like terms is 2x and negative 4. So the equation will become 10x minus 15y plus 35 minus 4, quantity x negative 2y. Then we will subtract 2x and negative 4x. It will become negative 2x. Then negative 3 plus positive 4 will become positive 1. Copy negative xy. Then we distribute 2y through the parentheses. So the equation will become 10x minus 15y plus 35 minus 4, quantity x plus negative 2y times negative 2x will become positive 4xy. Then negative 2y times 1, it will become negative 2y. Then copy also negative xy. Then collect like terms. So the like terms is positive 4xy and negative xy. So the equation will become 10x minus 15y plus 35 minus 4, quantity x plus 3xy minus 2y, because we subtract 4xy to negative xy. So it will become 3xy. Then we distribute 4 to the parentheses. So the equation will become 10x minus 15y plus 35. So negative 4 times x will become negative 4x. Then negative 4 times 3xy will become negative 12xy. Negative 4 times negative 2y, it will become positive 8y. And now we're gonna collect like terms. So the like terms is positive 10x and negative 4x. So they are unlike signs, so we're gonna subtract it. So the answer is 6x and negative 15y and positive 8y. So it's unlike signs, so we're gonna subtract it also. So it will become negative 7y. And copy positive 35 because he don't have a like terms. So, and also copy negative 12xy because he also don't have a like term. So we're gonna arrange it. So the final answer is 6x minus 12xy minus 7y plus 35. So this is the simplest form of this equation. So we're gonna proceed to equation number 4. Subtract 42x squared plus 68y squared plus 72z squared from the sum of 86x squared minus 37z squared and 51y squared plus 94z squared. So this is my solution. First, we're gonna add 86x squared minus 37z squared to 51y squared plus 94z squared. So 86x squared has no like term, so we're gonna bring it down. Then negative 37z squared and positive 94z squared. It's unlike sign, so we're gonna subtract it. So it will become 57z squared. So we will copy the sign of the highest number. Then 51y squared has no like term, so we're gonna bring it down also. So the answer to 86x squared minus 37z squared plus 51y squared plus 94z squared is 86x squared plus 57z squared plus 51y squared. The sum of 86x squared minus 37z squared and 51y squared plus 94z squared, we're gonna subtract it to 42x squared plus 68y squared plus 72z squared. So first we will gonna remove the parentheses. So in order to remove the parentheses, we will gonna distribute negative to 42x squared minus 68y squared plus 72z squared. So positive 42x squared will become negative 42x squared, and the positive 68y squared will become negative 68y squared, and the positive 72z squared will become negative 72z squared. Then we will gonna collect like terms. So the like terms is positive 86x squared and negative 42x squared. So unlike sign, we will gonna subtract it. So the answer is 44x squared and positive 51y squared and negative 68y squared. Unlike sign also, we're gonna subtract it. So it will become negative 17y squared and positive 57z squared and negative 72z squared. Unlike sign, so it will become negative 15z squared. So the final answer is 44x squared minus 17y squared minus 15z squared. And now we'll proceed to number 5. Subtract the sum of x cubed plus 17x squared plus 36x minus 15 and 3x cubed minus 13x plus 33 from the sum of negative 2x cubed minus 8x squared plus 79x plus 8 and 5x cubed minus 73x squared plus 99x plus 67. So this is my solution. The first thing to do is add x cubed plus 17x squared plus 36x minus 15 to 3x cubed minus 13x plus 33. So now we'll start to add x cubed plus positive 3x cubed. It will become 4x cubed. Then 17x squared has no like term, so we're gonna bring it down or copy it. So positive 36x plus negative 13x, unlike signs, so we're gonna subtract it. It will become positive 23x, so we're gonna copy the sign of the highest number. And negative 15 plus positive 33, unlike sign, so we're gonna subtract it also, and the answer is positive 18 because we copy the sign of the highest number. So the sum of x cubed plus 17x squared plus 36x minus 15, and 3x cubed minus 13x plus 33 is 4x cubed plus 17x squared plus 23x plus 18. Then we will proceed to another addition. So the sum of negative 2x cubed minus 8x squared plus 79x plus 8 and 5x cubed minus 73x squared plus 99x plus 67 is 3x cubed minus 81x squared plus 178x plus 93. So we're gonna subtract the sum of the two. So 4x cubed plus 17x squared plus 23x plus 18 minus 3x cubed minus 81x squared plus 178x plus 93. So in order to remove the parentheses, we're gonna distribute negative to 3x cubed minus 81x squared plus 178x plus 93. So positive 3x cubed will become negative 3x cubed, and negative 81x squared will become positive 81x squared, and positive 178 will become negative 178x, and positive 93 will become negative 93. So we're gonna combine like terms. So the like terms is positive 4x cubed and negative 3x cubed. So unlike sign, we're gonna subtract it. So it will become x cubed. Then positive 17x squared and positive 81x squared. So same sign, we're gonna add it, and it will become positive 98x squared. Then 23x and 100 and negative 178x. So unlike sign, we're gonna subtract it. So it will become positive a negative 155x and positive 18 and negative 93. So it will become unlike sign, so we're gonna subtract it. It will become negative 57. So the final answer is x cubed plus 98x squared minus 155x minus 57. Let's proceed to problem number 2, which is find the product. So this is the equation number 6. 2x cubed minus x squared y plus y cubed and 3x squared y minus 4xy squared plus 5y cubed. So this is my solution. The method that I use is cross multiplication method. So we're gonna multiply 2x cubed minus x squared y plus y cubed to 3x squared y minus 4xy squared plus 5y cubed. So 2x cubed times 3x squared y is 6x to the 5th power y. Then 2x cubed times 4x squared will become negative 8x to the 4th power y squared. So we're gonna copy the sign of the highest number. Then 2x cubed times 5y cubed will become 10x cubed y cubed. Then we'll proceed to negative x squared y times 3x cubed y. So it will become negative 3x to the 4th power y, and negative x squared y times negative 4x y squared. So it will become positive 4x cubed y cubed. Then negative x squared y times 5y cubed will become negative 5x squared y to the 4th power. Then we will proceed to y cubed. Y cubed times 3x squared y, it will become 3x squared y to the 4th power. Y cubed times negative 4xy squared will become negative 4xy to the 5th power. Y cubed times 5y cubed will become 5y to the 6th power. So we're gonna collect like terms. So the like terms is 6x to the 5th power y has no like term, so we're gonna copy it. And negative 8x for y squared has also no like term, so we're gonna copy it also. Negative 8x for the y squared, and positive 10x cubed y cubed has a like term, the positive 4x cubed y cubed, so we're gonna add it, so it will become positive 14x cubed y cubed. Then negative 3x to the fourth power y has no like term, so we're gonna copy it also. And negative 5x squared y to the fourth power and 3x squared y to the fourth power. So negative and positive, unlike sign, we're gonna subtract, so it will become negative x squared y to the fourth power. So we're gonna copy the sign of the highest number. Then 4x y to the fifth power, copy because she don't have a like term. And then positive 5yx also copy because he has no a like term. So the final answer is 6x to the fifth power y minus 8x to the fourth power y squared plus 14x cubed y cubed minus 3x to the fourth power y minus 2x squared y to the fourth power minus 4xy to the fifth power plus 5y to the sixth power. So let's proceed to number 7. So the equation is 2x squared minus x cubed minus 4x plus 5 and 3x minus 2x squared plus 7. So we're gonna use the cross multiplication. So this is my solution. 2x squared times 3x is 6x cubed. 2x squared times negative 2x squared will become negative 4x to the fourth power. 2x squared times 7 will become positive 14x squared. Next, negative x cubed times 3x will become negative 3x to the fourth power. Negative x cubed times 2x, negative 2x squared will become positive 2x to the fifth power. Negative x cubed times positive 7 will become negative 7x cubed. Then next, negative 4x times 3x will become 12x squared, negative 12x squared. Negative 4x times negative 2x will become positive 8x cubed. And negative 4x times positive 7 will become negative 28x. Then we're gonna proceed to positive 5 times positive 3x will become 15x. And then 5 times negative 2x squared will become 10x squared. Then 5 times 7 will become 35. So we're gonna combine like terms. So the like terms is 6x cubed and negative 7x cubed. So unlike sign, we're gonna subtract. So it become 13. Then negative 13 and positive 8 will become unlike sign, so it will become positive 7x cubed. Then 4x to the fourth power and negative 3x to the fourth power, negative and negative, so we're gonna add, it will become negative 7x to the fourth power. Then positive 14x squared and negative 12x squared, so unlike sign, so we're gonna subtract, so it will become positive 2x squared, then positive and negative 10x squared. So unlike sign, we're gonna subtract it also, so it will become 8x squared. Then 2x to the fifth power has no like term, so we're gonna copy it. Then 28x and 15x, so unlike sign, negative and positive, so we're gonna subtract, so it will become negative 13x. Then copy 35 because and then we're gonna arrange it to the descending order. So the final answer is 2x to the fifth power minus 7x to the fourth power plus 7x cubed plus 12x squared minus 3x plus 35. So we're gonna proceed to problem number 8. So the equation is 3x plus 2y squared and 2x minus 3y close and open parenthesis squared. So this is my solution. First, we will gonna multiply 3x plus 2y to itself because it's twice. So 3x plus 2y times 3x plus 2y is 3x times 3x will become 9x squared. 3x plus 2y will become 6xy. Then 2y times 3x will become 6xy. Then 2y plus times 2y will become 4y squared. So we're gonna collect like terms. So 9x squared copy, and 6xy and 6xy. So same sign, add. It will become 12xy. Then copy also for y squared. Then we'll proceed to 2x minus 3y. We're gonna multiply it by itself. So 2x times 2x will become 4x squared. 2x times 3 will become 6xy. 3y times 2x will become 6xy negative because negative 3y and positive 2x. Negative 3y times negative 3 will become positive 9y squared. So combine like terms. Copy for x squared, then negative 6xy and negative 6xy it will become negative 12xy. Then copy also 9y squared. Then we will gonna multiply 9x squared plus 12xy plus 4y squared to 4x squared minus 12xy plus 9y squared. So 9x squared times 4x squared become 36x to the 4th power. 9x squared times 12xy will become 108x cubed y. Then 9x squared times 9y squared, it will become 81x squared y squared. Then proceed to 12xy times 4x squared. It will become 48x cube y. Then 12xy times 12xy will become negative 144x squared y squared. Then positive 12xy times 9y squared will become 108x y cubed. Then proceed to 4y squared. 4y squared times 4x squared will become 16x squared y squared. 4y squared times 12xy it will become negative 48xy cubed. Then 4y squared times 9y squared it will become 36y to the 4th power. Then combine like terms. So the like terms is 108x cubed y and positive 48 cube y. So same sign, add 100, so it will become 156x cube y. So the 36x to the 4th power has no like term, so we're gonna bring it down. Then proceed to 81x squared and y squared. So the like terms is 16x squared and y squared. So 81 and also negative 144 x squared y squared. So 81 plus 16 is 97. Then 97, positive 97 and negative 144 x squared y squared, it will become negative 47x squared y squared. Subtract because unlike sign. Then we will proceed to 108xy cubed and negative 48x y cubed. So unlike sign, subtract, so it will become positive 60x y cubed. Then copy 36y to the 4th power because you don't have a like sign. So the final answer is 36x to the fourth power plus 15x cubed y minus 47x squared y squared plus 60x y cubed plus 36y to the fourth power. Then, number 9. So, number 9 equation is a squared minus 2ab plus 3b squared and 2a minus b whole in upper parentheses squared. So this is my solution. So first I multiply 2a minus b to itself, so it will become 2a times 2a equals 4a squared. 2a times b, it will become 2a negative 2ab, and 2a negative b and times 2a, it will become negative 2ab. Negative b times negative b will become positive b squared. So we're gonna combine like terms. So 4a squared has no like terms, bring it down, and negative 2ab and negative 2ab add, so it will become negative 4ab, and bring down b squared because he has no like terms. So we're gonna multiply a squared minus 2ab plus 3b squared to 4a squared minus 4ab plus b squared. So a squared times 4a squared will become 4a to the fourth power. A squared times negative 4ab, it will become negative 4a cubed b. A squared times b squared will become a squared b squared. 2ab times 4a squared will become a 8a cubed b, and 2ab times negative 4ab equals positive 8a squared b squared. Then negative 2ab times b squared will become negative 2ab cubed. Then proceed to 3b squared times 4a squared will become to 12a squared b squared. 3b squared times negative 4ab, it will become negative 12ab ab cubed. 3b cubed times b cubed, it will become 3b to the fourth power. Then we're gonna combine like terms. So 4a4 has no like terms, so we're gonna copy negative 4a cubed b and negative 8a cubed b. So same sign, add, it will become 12a cubed b. Then a squared b squared and a squared 12a squared b squared. So and 8a squared b squared. So we're gonna add, it will become 9a squared b squared and 9a squared b squared plus 12a squared b squared, so it will become 21a squared b squared and 2ab cubed and 12ab cubed. Negative negative, so same sign, add, it will become negative ab cubed, negative 14ab cubed, Then copy 3b to the fourth power because he has no like terms. So we're gonna proceed to problem number 10. So the equation is x minus y closing open parentheses cubed and x plus y. So this is my solution. First, I multiply x minus y thrice to itself. So x minus y, x times x will become x squared. Then x times y, it will become x times y will become xy. Negative y times x will become negative xy. Negative y times negative y will become positive y squared. So if we combine like terms, the answer is x squared minus 2xy plus y squared. So I write the final answer. So x squared minus 2xy plus y squared times to another x minus y. So it will become x squared times x will become x cubed. X squared times negative y will become negative x squared y. Then proceeding to negative 2xy times x will become negative 2x squared y, and negative 2xy times negative y will become positive 2xy squared. Then proceed to y squared times x will become x y squared times y, it will become negative y cubed. So in combine like terms, x cubed, copy because he has no like terms, negative x squared y and negative 2xy, so same sign, add, will become negative 3x squared y. Then 2xy squared and xy squared, same sign also, so add, it will become 3xy squared. Then copy negative y cubed because he has no like sign. Then we will gonna proceed to multiplied x plus y, 2x squared minus 3x squared y plus 3xy squared minus y cubed. So the answer is x to the fourth power minus x cubed y minus 3x cubed y minus 3x squared y squared plus 3x squared y squared plus 3xy cubed minus xy cubed minus y to the fourth powers. So we will gonna arrange it to the descending order, so it will become x to the fourth power plus 3x cubed y minus 3x cubed y plus 3xy cubed minus xy cubed minus y to the fourth power. So combine like terms, x to the fourth power, copy because he has no like terms, then x cubed y minus 3x cubed y, it will become negative 2x cubed y, and 3xy cubed and xy cubed, unlike sign, we're gonna subtract, so it will become 2xy cubed. Then copy negative y to the fourth power. So the final answer is x to the fourth power minus 2x cubed y plus 2xy cubed minus y to the fourth power. So we're gonna proceed to problem number 3. Divide the first polynomial by the second polynomial. So the equation is x to the fifth power plus 2x to the fourth power minus 3x cubed minus 8x squared minus 2x plus 18 and x squared minus 3x plus 2. So this is my solution. So x squared divided by x to the fifth power will become x cubed. We're gonna find a equation that if you multiply to x squared will become x to the fifth power. So we can cancel this x to the fifth power. So x squared divided by x to the fifth power is x cubed. X cubed times x squared will become x to the fifth power. X cubed times negative 3x will become negative 3x to the fourth power. Then x cubed times 2, it will become 2x cubed. Then we're gonna cancel x to the fifth power and we're gonna distribute negative 2 x to the 5th power and minus 3x to the 4th power plus 2x cubed. So the negative sign of 3x to the 4th power will become positive and the positive 2x cubed will become negative. So positive 2x4 minus positive 3x to the 4th power, so it will become 5x to the 4th power. Then negative negative add, it will become negative 5x3, 3x cubed plus 2x cubed. Then bring down negative 8x squared. Then we're gonna find a number that if you times 2, x squared will become 5x to the 4th power. So 5x squared times x squared will become 5x to the 4th power. Then 5x squared times negative 3x will become negative 15x to the 15x cubed, and 5x squared times 2 will become 10x squared. Then subtract, so we're gonna distribute negative through 5x to the 4th power, and it's 15x cubed plus 10x squared. So we're gonna cancel 5x to the 4th power. Then positive and negative unlike signs, so we're gonna subtract, so it will become 10x cubed. Then negative 8x squared and negative 10x squared, same sign, add, it will become negative 18x squared. Then bring down negative 2x. Then x squared divided by negative 3x cubed, it will become positive 10x. So positive 10x times x squared, it will become 10x cubed. Then positive 10x times negative 3x will become negative 30x squared. Then positive 10x times positive 2, it will become positive 20x. So subtract, cancel 10x cubed, and negative 18x squared and positive 30x squared, it will become 12x squared. Subtract because unlike sign, and negative 2x and negative 20x will add because same sign, it will become negative 22x. Bring down positive 18. Then x squared divided by negative 8x squared is positive 12. 12 times x squared, it will become 12x squared, and 12 times negative 3x, it will become negative 36x, and 12 times 2, it will become positive 24. So subtract, cancel 12x squared, then distribute negative 22x minus positive 36x will become 14x squared, unlike sign. Subtract, then positive 18 and negative 24 unlike sign, so negative 6. So the final answer is x cubed plus 5x squared plus 10x plus 12 plus 14x minus 6 over x squared minus 3x plus 2. So the 14x minus 6 is remainder. So number 12, 12x to the 5th power minus 2x to the 4th power plus 3x cubed plus 70x minus 7 and 3x squared plus x minus 7. So this is my solution. So 3x squared divided by 12x to the 5th power is 4x cubed. 4x cubed times 3x squared is 12x to the 5th power. 4x cubed times x will become 4x to the 4th power, and 4x cubed times negative 7 will become negative 28x cubed. So subtract, cancel 12x to the 5th power, then distribute negative. Negative 2x to the 4th power and negative 4x to the 4th power, add because same sign, so it will become negative x to the 4th power, then positive 3x cubed and positive 28x cubed, so it will become positive 31x cubed. Then proceed to 3x squared divided by negative x to the 4th power will become negative x squared. Negative x squared times 3x squared will become negative 6x to the 4th power. Then negative 2x squared times x will become negative x cubed. Negative x squared times negative 7 will become positive 14x squared. Then subtract, then distribute negative. Cancel 6x to the 4th power, then positive 31x cubed and positive 2x cubed, same sign, so we're gonna add, it will become 33x cubed, then bring down negative 4x squared and bring down also 70x. Then 3x squared times 3x divided by 3x squared will become 11x. 11x times 3x squared is 33x cubed, then 11x times x will become 11x squared. 11x times negative 7 will become negative 77x. Then subtract, so and distribute negative sign, so 33x and 33x cancel. Negative 14x squared and negative 11x squared, add because same sign, will become negative 15x squared. Then positive 70x and positive 77x, add, will become 147x. Then bring down negative 7. So 3x squared divided by 70x will become negative 5. Negative 5 times 3x squared will become negative 15x squared. Negative 5 times x will become negative 5x. Negative 5 times negative 7 will become positive 45. So negative 15x squared and negative 15x squared cancel, distribute negative. Positive 147 and positive 5 will become 152. Then negative 7 and negative 45 will become negative 52. So let's proceed to number 13. So this is the equation: 8x to the 5th power minus 6x to the 4th power minus 11x cubed plus 3x squared plus 17x plus 15 and 2x cubed plus 3x squared plus 5x minus 2. So this is my solution. 2x cubed divided by 8x to the 5th power is 4x squared. 4x squared times 2x cubed, it will become 8x to the 5th power. 4x squared times 3x squared is 12x to the 4th power. 4x squared times 5x become 20x cubed, and 4x squared times negative 2, it will become negative 8x squared. Then subtract and distribute negative. 8x to the 5th power cancel. Negative 6 to the 4th power and negative 12x to the 4th power, same sign, so add, it will become negative 18x to the 4th power. Negative 11x cubed and negative 20x cubed will become negative 31x cubed, and positive 3x squared and positive 8x squared, same sign, so add, will become 11x squared, bring down positive 17x. So 2x cubed divided by negative 6x to the fourth power is negative 9 squared. Negative 9 squared times times positive 2x cubed will become negative 18x to the fourth power. Negative 9x times positive 3x squared will become negative 27x cubed, and negative 9x times positive 5x will become negative 45x squared. Negative 9x times negative 2 will become positive 18x. So, subtract, cancel 18x to the fourth power, distribute negative, then negative 31x cubed and positive 27x cubed will become negative 4x cubed because unlike sign, subtract. Positive 11x squared and positive 45x squared, same sign, add, will become positive 56y x squared. Positive 17x and negative 18x will become x and bring down 15. Positive 2x cubed divided by 11x cubed will become negative 2. Negative 2 times negative 2x cubed will become negative 4x cubed. And negative 2 times 3x squared will become negative 6x squared. Negative 2 times 5x will become negative 10x. Negative 2 times negative 2, it will become positive 4. So subtract, cancel 4x cubed, distribute negative. Positive 56x squared and positive 6x squared, same sign, will become 62x squared. Add negative x and positive 10x, unlike sign, subtract, will become positive 9x. Positive 15 and negative 4, unlike sign, subtract, will become positive 11. 62x squared plus 9x plus 11 is the remainder. So the final answer is 4x squared minus 9x minus 2 plus 62x squared plus 9x plus 11 over 2x cubed plus 3x squared plus 5x minus 2. And now we'll proceed to problem number 4. Solve for x, y, z, or whichever occurs. So this is equation number 14. 14x minus 12y equals 7 and 21x minus 18y equals 21. So this is my solution. To solve for x, we need to cancel 14x. So in order to cancel 14x, we're gonna divide both sides to 14x. So this is the answer. X equals 1/2 minus 6 over 7y. To solve for y, we're gonna substitute the x and y. So 21 times 1/2 minus 6 over 7y minus 18y equals 21. So there is no solution. We cannot find x and y. And now we'll proceed to number 15. So 14x minus 12 equals 0 and 49x minus 42y equals 0. So this is my solution. First, we're gonna multiply both sides to negative 7. Negative 7 times 14x will become 98x, and negative 7 times negative 12y will become positive 84y. Then we're gonna multiply also both sides to 2. Then 2 times 49x will become 98x, and 2 times negative 42y will become 84y. So 98x plus 84y cancel because it's the same, and 84y, so the answer is 0, 0. Then we'll proceed to number 16. 6 over x minus 7 over y equals 26 1/2, and 5 over x minus 8 over x equals to 29. So this is my solution. 6 over x minus 7y equals 26 1/2 will become 12y minus 4x minus 53xy, and 5 over x and minus 8 over y equals 29 will become 5y minus 8x equals 29xy. So this is the process of elimination. 12y minus 14x equals 53xy. We're gonna multiply it both sides to 5. 5 times 12y will become 60y. 5 times negative 14x will become negative 70x, and 5 times 53xy will become 265xy. And then we will gonna multiply both sides to negative 12 to the equation of 5y minus 8x equals 29xy. So negative 12 times 5y will become negative 60y, and negative 12 times negative 8x will become positive 96x, and negative 12 times 29x will become 349xy. So we will gonna subtract. So 60y and 60y cancel, and negative 70x and subtracted to positive 96x, unlike sign, so we're gonna subtract. It become 26x and 265 and 348xy. Same sign, we're gonna add, we're gonna subtract 83xy. So we'll to eliminate 83xy, we're gonna divide both sides to, we're gonna divide it to 83xy. 28x divided by 83xy and 83xy divided by negative 83xy cancel because same, and 26x divided with 83x will become negative 26 over 23. So the y is negative 26 over 83. Then to solve for x, 5y minus 8x minus 29xy. We will gonna substitute negative 26 over 83 to y. So 5 times negative 26 over 83 minus 8x equals to 29x times negative 26 over 83. So we're gonna subtract 5 to negative 26 over 83. So it will become 130 over 83. We're gonna and then we're gonna subtract multiply also 29x to negative 26 over 83, and then we will gonna divide both sides to 83, and the answer is negative 130, and 83 times negative 8x will become negative 664x, and also cancel 83 and will become negative 754x. And then we're gonna transpose negative 754x, so the equation will become positive 754x minus 664x equals 130. So 754 minus 664x is 90x. So we're gonna copy 130, and then to cancel 90x, to cancel 90, we're gonna divide 90 and 130 to 90. So we're gonna cancel 90. So x is equals to 130 over 90. Then we'll proceed to number 17. 5x plus 8y plus 2z equals negative 14, and 2x plus 5y plus 3z equals to 3, and 3x minus 6y plus 4z equals to negative 4. So this is my solution. Eliminate x using equation 1 and 2. So 5x plus 8y plus 22 equals negative 14. We're gonna multiply it to 2 both sides. 2 times 5x equals to 10x. 2 times 8y equals to 16y. 2 times 22 equals to 42. And 2 times negative 14 equals to negative 28. And then 2x plus 5y plus 3z equals 3. We're gonna multiply it by negative 5. Negative 5 times 2x will become negative 10x. Negative 5 times 5 will become negative 25y. Negative 5 times 3z, it will become negative 15z. And negative 5 times 3, it will become negative 15. So we're gonna cancel 10x. And then positive 16y and negative 25y, subtract, will become negative 9y. And positive 4z and negative 15z will become negative 11z. Negative 28 and negative 15, add same sign, will become negative 43. So negative 9y minus 11z equals negative 14 will be the equation number 4. And then we're gonna use equation number 2 and equation number 3. So 2x plus 5y plus 3 is equals 3. We're gonna multiply 3 both sides of 2x plus 5y plus 3 is equals 3. So 3 times 2 is 2x is 6x. 3 times 5y is 15y. 3 times 3 is equals 9z. 3 times 3 equals 9. Negative 2, we're gonna multiply it to 3x minus 6y plus 4 is equals 4. So negative 2 times 3y will become negative 6x. Negative 2 times 6y will become positive 12y. And negative 2 times 4z will become negative 8z. And negative 2 times 4 will become positive 8. So we're gonna cancel 6x, then 15y, positive 15y, and positive 12y will become 27y, and positive 9z and negative 8z will become z, and 9 and 8 will become 17. So this 27y plus equals 17 will be our equation number 5. To solve for z, we're gonna use equation number 4 and equation number 5. Negative 9y minus 11z equals negative 43. We're gonna multiply it by 3. 3 times negative 9 will become negative 27y. 3 times negative 11z will become negative 33z. 3 times negative 43 will become negative 129. Then 27y plus z equals 17. We're gonna multiply it by 1. 1 times 27y will become 27y. Y times z will become z. 1 times 17 is also 17. So we're gonna cancel 27y. Then negative 33z and positive z, unlike sign, we're gonna subtract. So become negative 32 and negative 129 and positive 17 is equals to negative 112. So z is equals to negative 112 over negative 32, and z equals negative 112 over negative 32. We're gonna reduce the fraction, so z is equals to 7 over 4. Solve for y by substituting z to 7 over 4. So negative 9y minus 11z equals negative 43. Then we're gonna substitute 7 over 4 to z. Negative 9y minus 11 times 7 over 4 equals negative 40. So we're gonna multiply 11 to 7 over 4. So the equation will become negative 9y minus 77 over 4 equals negative 43. And then we're gonna multiply it by both sides by 4. So the equation will become negative 36y minus 77 equals 100 equals to negative 172. And then we're gonna transpose negative 172, so the equation will become negative 36y equals to negative 172 plus 77. So negative 36xy is equals to negative 95 because we add negative 172 to 77. So the y will become negative 95 over negative 36. So for x using equation number 1, so the equation number 1 is 5x plus 8y plus 2z equals negative 14. So we're gonna substitute positive 7 over 4 to z and 95 over 36 to y. So the equation will become 5x plus 8 times 95 over 36 plus 2 times 7 over 4 equals negative 14. So we're gonna multiply 8 to 95 over 36 and 2 to 7 over 4. So the equation will become 5x plus 2 times 95 over 9 plus 14 over 4 equals negative 14. Then we're gonna multiply 36 both sides. So 36 times 5x will become 180x. So 36 times 2 times 95 over 9. So first we're gonna multiply 2 to 95. So 2 times 95 will become 190. Then 36 times 190 is equals to 6,840. Then we're gonna divide 6,840 to 9. So the answer will become 760. And then 36 times 14 over 4 will become positive 126 equals to negative 504. Then we're gonna transpose negative 504, so the equation will become 180x equals to negative 504 minus 760 minus 126. So negative 504 minus 760 minus 126 is negative 1390. So copy 180x. Then we're gonna divide 1390 to 180. So the answer will become x equals to 139 over 18. So the x is equals to negative 139 over 18 and y is equals to 95 over 36 and z is equals to 7 over 4. Then we'll proceed to equation number 18. 4 over x plus 5 over y equals 3 over z equals 22. 7 over x minus 2 over y plus 4 over z is equals to 51. 9 over x minus 1 over x minus 1 over z is equals to 35. So this is my solution. Using equation 1 and 2, we're gonna find equation number 4. 4 over x plus 5 over y equals 3 over z equals 22. We're gonna multiply it by 7. So 7 times 4 over x will become 28 over x, and 7 multiplied to 5 will become 35 over y, and 7 multiplied by 3 will become 21, and 7 multiplied by 22 it will become 154. Then 7 over x minus 2 over y plus 4 over z we're gonna equals 51. We're gonna multiply it by 4. So 4 times 7 will become 28. 4 times 2 it will become 8. 4 times 4 it will become 16. And 4 times 51 will become 204. So negative 28 over x and 28 over x, we're gonna cancel because it's the same, and positive 35 over y and positive 8 over x will become 43 over x, and negative 21 and negative 16 over z, it will become negative 37z, and positive 154 and negative 204, it will become negative 50. So 43 over x minus 37 over z equals negative 50 will become the equation number 4. So using equation number 1 and 3, 4 over x plus 5y minus 3 over z equals 22. We're gonna multiply it by 9. So the answer is 36 over x plus 45 over y equals 27z equal minus 27z over z, and equals to 198, and 9 over x minus 1 over y minus 1 over z equals 35. We're gonna multiply it by 4, so the answer will become 36 over x minus 4 over y minus 4 over z equals 140. And we're gonna subtract it, so we're gonna 36 over x, we're gonna cancel it, and then we're gonna distribute negative 2, 4 over y and 4 over z equals 140. So the answer is 49 over y minus 23 over z equals 58. So this will become our equation number 5. So using equation number 4 and equation number 5, 43 over x minus 37 over z equals negative 50. We're gonna multiply it by 49. So the answer will become 2107 over y and minus 1813 over z equals 2450. Then 49 over y minus 23 over z equals 58. We're gonna multiply it by 43. So the answer will become negative 2107 over y minus 989 over z equals to 2494. So we're gonna cancel 2107, then we're gonna subtract it, so the answer will become negative 824 over z equals negative 4944. Then negative 4944, we're gonna divide it to 824. So we're gonna divide it both sides to 4944. So the answer will become 1 over 6. So 1 over 6 is our z. So we're gonna substitute the value of z to the equation number 5. So 49 over x minus 23 over 1 over 6 equals 58. So 49 over y, we divide 23 over 1 over 6 will become 138 equals 58. Then 49 over y equals, we transpose 58, so the equation will become 49 over y equals to 58 plus 138. So 58 plus 138 is 196. So 49, the equation will become 49 over y equals 196. So we're gonna divide both sides to 196. So 49 over 196 equals to 196y over 196. So we're gonna cancel 196. So the y over, so 49 divided by 196 will become 1/4. So the y is equals to 1/4. And then we're gonna substitute the value of y and z to equation number 3 to get the x. So 9 over x minus 1 y minus 1z equals to 35. So 9x minus 1 over 1/4 minus 1 over 1/6 equals 35. So 9 over x, 1 divided with 1 over 4 will become -4, and 1 over 1 over 6 will become 6. Copy 35. So the equation will become 9 over x minus 4 minus 6 equals 35. 9x over equals 35 plus 4 plus 6 because we transposed 35. So the equation will become 9 over x equals 35 plus 4 plus 6. And then we add the 3. So the answer will become 45. So 9 over x equals 45. We divide 45 to 9 and 45 to cancel 45. So 9 over 45 equals 45. X over 45 cancel. Then the left is 9 over 45 and x. So 9 divided with 45 will become x equals to 1/5. So the x is 1/5 and the y is 1/4 and the z is 1/6. And so this is another problem. This is a trigonometry. So the problem number 1 is a ladder 42 feet long is placed so that it will reach a window 30 feet high on one side of a street. If it is turned over, its foot being held in position, it will reach a window 25 feet high on the other side of the street. How wide is the street from the building? So this is my solution. So we're gonna find the wide of the how wide is the street from the building to building. So my answer is -63.14 ft. Then number 2, from a window 30 feet above the level ground, a building 100 feet high and at a distance of 200 feet is observed. Find the angle of elevation on the top of the building and the angle of depression of its base. So this is my solution. So to get the angle of elevation, we're gonna find the tan of 70 over 200, so it will become 0.35, and then we're gonna find the tan of 0.35, so it become 19.29 degree, and the base is angle of its depression is 19.21 degree. And letter A is 70.71. Then number 3, to measure the height of the building, a surveyor sets up his transit at a distance of 112.2 feet from the building. He finds the angle of elevation of the top of the building to be 48 degrees 17 if the telescope of the transit 5 feet above the base of the building. How high is the building? So the building is 130.66 high. So that's my solution. From the number 4, from the top of a tower 63.2 feet high, the angles of depression of two objects situated in the same horizontal line with the base of the tower and on the same side of the tower are 31 degree 16 and 48 degree 28 respectively. Find the distance between the two objects. So the distance of the two objects is 164.11 feet. Then number 5, a river flows at the rate of 1.5 miles an hour. A. In what direction must a man swim in order to go straight across? If his rate of swimming in still water is 2.5 miles an hour. B. How long will it take him to cross if the river is 1/2 miles wide? So this is my answer. It will become 0.25 hour or 15 minutes. Number 6. A barge is being towed north at the rate of 21.15 miles an hour. A man walks across the deck from west to east at the rate of 6 per second. Find the direction and the magnitude of his actual velocity. So this is my answer. We got 15.55 miles per hour and 4.09 miles per hour. Number 7. The radius of the circle is 100 feet. Find the perimeter and the area of A. Irregular inscribed pentagon. B. Irregular inscribed decagon. Pentagon is equals to 587.8 ft and angle is 23,776.15 ft and the height is 80.90 ft. I am Abigail A. De La Cruz, PSME 1B. Thank you for watching. Enjoy!